Cartier shades on my eyes. Me, you niggas looking hating, but you high tech in my cup, and I'm sipping, pouring up. She say she gon' stay, so I'm tryna see what's up. Rubber bands in my pocket, with a Drake on me to fill you up. Why them soft niggas always tryna act like they tough? I pour the lean in the fountain, got the stick on the Drake. You can call it a banana, got the whip on her cake. You can call that spectacular. Ain't nothing about me fake. I like movies, but I never wanna be an actor. Got two girls side by side on my pants, but this ain't Kappa. He say he wanna be a trapper, used to be a rapper. I put fear in you, never been a fact. I stack my bread up, and now when I go to the bank, it's just laughter. Got that rapper, I'm a tax you. Real Zaza, he out here telling lies. Got blood on your shirt, blood all on his thighs. And I'm looking dead at you with blood in my eyes. Left alone, she say she need to fix herself. I need to fix you too. Who knew you was fixable? I pull on the block, two-seater, this is a cool. Passenger side, your boo. Do what you supposed to do. 40 got 8 shots, but now I just left with 2. If you don't leave the earth, you are a vegetable. Drop at the demon, I was just in the coupe. And these diamonds on my ring, make sure they visible. And I'm in the back of a Maybach, no Jeezy but stay sprout. No head nods are faked out, leave him on his face flat. Why they always hate me, I just really hate that. Been kicking down doors, nigga, this is no cap. If I don't buy a bag, she gon' spaz. Gotta get her what she wants, so she won't be sad. Birkin bag on her arm, I'm in my bag too. But this a Gucci bag, and it's filled up with loot. And plus I got the glizzy, you know that I shoot. DCG the squad gang, we don't even recruit. And we got them P's, it stand for poom, because it stank. We some dogs with roof,